Hello, my friends. For those that are asking this question, is e-estate sustainable? I don't want to just quickly tell you yes, that e-estate is sustainable just for saying yes, but I want to show you proof that yes, e-estate is sustainable. And this proof is going to come from the financial report of e-estate in 2025. The financial report for 2026 has not been prepared yet, but let's work with what we have right now. Okay. But if you just want me to give you an answer to this question, the answer is yes. E-estate is sustainable, and it is sustainable simply because we are still getting paid. Since over 12 months, nothing has happened in e-estate. We are still earning money every single day, 5 days a week, Mondays to Friday. You can withdraw on a daily basis. So that makes e-estate sustainable. If e-estate is not sustainable, I don't think e-estate will last for 3 months. They've lasted for more than 1 year, and they have 30 years plan. Okay, they have 30 years plan. Let me repeat that again. Okay, so that will sink in for a moment. So that being said, let me show you how to prove that e-estate is sustainable. If you are in e-estate, this is easy to find. If you are not in e-estate, I would recommend you sign up with the link below this video description. It is free to sign up, just so you know. The idea of you signing up is to get access to the knowledge base. Okay, because without signing up, you won't get access to the information I want to share with you that is going to prove that e-estate is sustainable. Okay, now if you're logging into your account, go to InfoHub. When you go to InfoHub, click knowledge base. Most people don't know these things, right? And they are in e-estate. They don't have the time to actually go and check these things. That's why I'm recording this video, to help people know that this information is readily available in the back office and is accessible to every single member of e-estate. So once you are on the knowledge base page, click on documentation. When you click on documentation, select reports. When you select report, you will see this financial report for 2025. Overview of platform financial performance. This document prove that e-estate is sustainable, right? So you will see all the activities that is happening in e-estate for those of you that are curious and you want to know if e-estate is sustainable. Don't just ask the question, but follow the performance, follow the documentation of what is happening in the back office, right? So I'm going to click view and this page will open. When this page opens, you will see that this is the annual financial report for 2025. Now, this is a 23-page document, right? The pages here are up to 23, but I'm not going to sit here and go through the 23 pages. I'm going to skip to the page or the 2 pages that is relevant to my video that I'm recording today. Okay, this video is e-estate sustainable. The only place to find answer to this question is on that financial report, page 16. Okay, let's go to page 16 and page 17 of this document. Okay, so let's scroll down to page 16. There you go. In fact, actually it's page 15. Okay, so page 15, you will see where it says capitalization pool overview for 2025. Do you know what that means? For people that don't know, this is what is called liquidity pool. For every single platform to survive and sustain itself, they need what is called liquidity pool. Okay, in e-estate we call it capitalization pool. So this is a summary of everything that has happened. You can see the total e-estate issuance for 2025 was over 104 million. Okay, then the EST sold is 19.5% of the total issuance. The capitalization pool, okay, which is the capital from sold EST. So capitalization, again, let me repeat myself. Capitalization means liquidity pool, right? People are familiar with liquidity pool instead of capitalization pool. So now take that into consideration and read what it's saying here. Okay, how capital from EST sales is deployed. This is how it works. This is what they are doing in EST that is making it sustainable. Proceeds generated from the sales of EST token are allocated into the capitalization pool, representing capital raised from a limited portion of the total EST issuance during the reporting period. This capital plays a dual role within the EST financial architecture. First, it serves as a strategic capital reserve, supporting liquidity, operational continuity, and structural stability of the platform. So, guys, are you reading this with me? Second, it represents active working capital transferred under management to Ally Property, where it is deployed into real estate transactions, portfolio rotation, and asset development activities designed to generate realized income. What does that say to you? On my right hand side here, it says capital from the capitalization pool is allocated through the following channels: Ally Property Asset Management, new property acquisition, portfolio development, and capital restoration. Now, as of January 2026, which is this year, the majority of total EST issuance remains unsold, providing controlled capital flexibility and disciplined activation of asset based on market demand and operational needs. What does that tell you? It tells you that the liquidity that EState has is untouchable. That means EState is sustainable. Now, let me prove that point to you. This is page 60. This is page 15 of the 23 pages that we have in this financial report. Let me go to page 16, the next page. Okay, this is operating cost overview. Now, remember, this is liquidity pool and this is operating costs. Now, remember, for a platform to be sustainable, the operating cost has to be less than the liquidity pool. If the operating cost is higher than the liquidity pool, the company will collapse. But in this case, look at the figure here. Capitalization pool. I want to keep calling this liquidity pool. 20.4 million. That is what they have. Now, take a look at page 16 here. The total operating expenses, everything EState has been using for operating expenses breakdown, marketing and market expansion, administrative and corporate costs, agent commission payouts. Now, remember, many people are worried about the agent commission structure where they are paying us deal commission, profit commission, and they have other bonuses as well. People are worried that where are they getting all this money to pay all this commission, all this referral commission, all these bonuses? This is the report. You can see that total of all operating costs, including our agent commission that we are receiving, is 2.7 million, guys. But look at the money they have here, 20.4 million. So they have not even scratched their liquidity pool. Guys, this is massive. This is massive. This is the proof that you are looking for those that are asking this question. Is EState sustainable? Yes, and yes, and yes. EState is sustainable because you saw the financial report for 2025. Now, we are waiting on the financial report for 2026. That is even going to be even bigger than this one, because they have expanded and added more properties, more tokenized properties in the list of in the back office. All right. So if you're asking this question, you've seen the proof, you've seen everything. I don't have to convince you anymore than what I have just shown you. All right. So e-estate is sustainable. If this video have answered your question and you have not decided to join e-estate, by all means, the link to do so is below this video description, guys. Use that link, join e-estate, and let us rock and roll. Okay, let's rock and roll e-estate. Remember what we are doing in e-estate. We are purchasing and owning fractional real estate. We are not purchasing the whole building. We are not purchasing the whole property. We are not purchasing the whole real estate. We are only purchasing a fraction of it because e-estate have managed to tokenize these properties, making it available for every single person around the globe to purchase a fraction of it and benefit from that fractional ownership of that real estate that you've purchased. We are getting rental income, guys. We earn daily. We are able to withdraw daily. Our earning potential is between 0.3 to 1% daily, guys. And this has been sustainable and consistent for more than 1 year. And they are still forging on. They are still going. Okay? There is no stopping in e-estate. So, guys, make up your mind now and join e-estate. I look forward to seeing you in my team. Thank you and God bless.